Hello everyone, welcome back to SEO World. Today in this tutorial we will see how to generate the random data in Selenium. So let's begin. For example, you need to test this sign-up form and you need to enter the unique data in first name and last name. So you can easily enter the random data in this field by using fake API. Open Chrome browser and search Maven repository. Click on Maven repository and search here Faker Java. Click on Java Faker and then click on 1.0.2 version. This is the latest version of Java Faker. Copy this dependency and open the home.xml file and add dependency here in the dependency section. Control S to save this file. After adding this dependency, we need to initialize the driver. Driver is equal to new Chrome driver. After initializing the driver, enter the URL driver.get. Now create the object faker. Fakers is equal to new faker. Import this library, import faker. String random is variable name is equal to fakers dot. We want to enter the character, so we will use letter FY. And here we enter the question mark. If you enter the 5 question marks, then random data will be generated of 5 characters. Right click on this field and we need to locate this element. Here name is available. Copy this name, web element name is equal to driver dot find element by dot name and enter name here. Name dot send keys. In send keys we enter the variable name which is random. Let's run this script. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and enter the random first name. Here you can view random data is generated. When I will again run this script, here you can view unique data enter in the first name. If you like this content, please subscribe to SEO World. Thanks for watching.